What's up? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited today because I'm going to do a hair mask with you today. As you can see, my hair is one huge rat's nest. I haven't even brushed it. It's looking crazy. So I'm doing my best to restore it, and I'm going to do a protein mask with you guys today. Look at this, guys. See how dry this is? This is so not cool. So damaged, it's not even funny. And yes, I am sitting in a computer chair in the bathroom. First, we're going to start off by brushing this mop. Come on. The worst part is brushing it because it's so freaking dry. You guys, don't ever dye your hair. Oh no, see? It just looks even worse when I brush it. Holy. See, like, I just want to chop it off, guys. I just really want to just start over, start fresh. So I'm gonna like deep condition it. I'm gonna leave a moisture mask in it for like maybe 5 hours or so. And then I'm going to wash and condition it like normal, and then we'll see how much better my hair looks after this. So first we're going to start off with the Shea Moisture coconut oil. I'm using about 4 spoons. You can use as many as you'd like depending on how thick your hair is. I have a lot of hair, so I'm going to use 4 spoons. I'll also be mixing in honey and a banana with the coconut oil. I mixed in 2 spoonfuls of honey. Using coconut oil and honey together will soften and restore your hair. The great thing about honey is that it is rich in antioxidants, and it is also an antibacterial. So you'll be reducing breakage and preventing further damage, along with strengthening your hair for a healthy scalp and hair. You want to make sure to stick your mixture of honey and coconut oil in the microwave for 10 seconds, making it easier to mix before you mash in the banana. And please make sure to mash your banana or blend it as well as possible, or you'll have such a difficult time washing it out like me. Nobody likes leftover banana chunks left in their hair. And coffee break. Make sure to grab a towel because this can get really messy. Also start with your scalp so you can really penetrate everything inside your hair, if that's the word you use. Try not to make a mess like me. My facial expressions here speak everything. I got banana all over my shirt. But hey, it's okay. Also, make sure to give yourself a really good massage. Get everything deep in there. The banana will be helping with dandruff, which is something I really need help with lately. It will also be adding moisture and shine, so your hair will be thanking you later. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which help nourish and soften the hair. It's also good for aging skin. Thumbs up for bananas! Make sure to evenly distribute the mixture from your scalp all the way to your ends. Once the mixture is distributed evenly throughout your hair, you can throw it up in a bun, and if you don't have a hair cap, you can use a grocery bag like me. Reduce, reuse, recycle. You can also use the banana peels to whiten your teeth or moisturize your skin. I let the mask sit in my hair for about 4 hours, and then I washed everything out with my Shea Moisture products. Then I went in with my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I really love this moisturizing product that makes my hair scream of happiness. This is how healthy my hair is after, and I'm absolutely obsessed and in love with it now. I feel like I'm in a hair commercial, guys. And I'm not sure why I left my hand up there for so long, just like chilling. Thumbs up for my attempt at a slow motion sexy hair commercial, guys. And please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll love you forever. So this is the end result. I ended up washing out the mask with my Shea Butter Moisture Retention Shampoo and my Moisture Retention Conditioner, and I'll set a link below for both of these. I love Shea Moisture because they're organic, so you know exactly what you're putting in your hair, and it's just nourishing. It has sea kelp, argan oil, and organic shea butter. So the sea kelp is a mineral-rich nutrition that soothes the hair. The argan oil restores shine and supports hair elasticity. Your hair is strengthening at the same time. And then you have organic shea butter, which deeply moisturizes while conditioning hair and scalp. I am absolutely obsessed with Shea Moisture. I can honestly say that every time I use it, I see such a huge difference in my hair. I finished shampooing my hair and conditioning it, I ended up going in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I love this stuff as well. It smells so good, guys. And then as soon as your hair dries, it just turns out shiny and healthy and beautiful, just like this. Hair feels a lot moisturized, healthier, bouncier. It just feels really good and healthy. Like just yesterday, it was feeling like straw and I was freaking out. But the hair mask has honestly made such a difference in my hair, along with the shampoo and conditioning products and my leave-in conditioner. My hair is absolutely amazing. I love it. I love the feeling. I can deal with it now. I can manage it. It looks like hair. Doesn't look like a rat's nest. What do y'all think? I feel like a woman. Dun, 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 dun. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Be sure to stay tuned for my next video. Definitely stay tuned. You don't want to miss out, guys. So, love you.